Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your tax form from Betterment. If you don't have a Betterment account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get up to $5,000 in assets managed free. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on Documents. Under Documents, you will see several tabs. Click on Taxes. And now you will be able to see all of your tax forms. However, in this case, there are no tax forms because I didn't earn any interest during that period. That's how you get your tax form from Betterment. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.